Question 9. Once we invited a guest for iftar. He said it is discouraged to talk whilst eating in the religion of Islam. Is he correct?
I don't know of any hadith of the Prophet ﷺ where he said that you should not speak while eating, etc. In fact, Allah says in the Quran in Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse 59 that if there's a difference, go back to Allah and His Rasul. There's no text in the Quran which says you should not speak while eating. There's no text in the hadith in which the Prophet commanded you should not speak while eating. In fact, there are hadith exactly the opposite. The Prophet spoke while eating. For example, if you read the hadith of Sahih Muslim, volume number 3, hadith number 5093, where the Prophet was served vinegar and he said that vinegar is a good food while eating. There are other hadith in which the Prophet said that do not eat with your left hand, for the Satan eats with the left hand. Again, this is while eating. Other hadith of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 7, hadith number 5376, where the beloved Prophet ﷺ said there was a boy who was eating with the Prophet and he was moving his hand around. So the Prophet said, eat with the right hand and eat from what is close to you. So this he said while eating. So all these hadith prove that there is no restriction for speaking while eating. Whenever there's a difference, go back to Allah and the Rasul and we'll get the answer.